BIP39, something that's known in the whole industry of crypto and crypto assets and purchasing crypto. So the question is, what is BIP39? Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al Ahmed and today I'm going to be explaining to you what BIP39 actually is. So BIP39 is Bitcoin Improvement Proposal 39. It's a protocol to help generate humans, us, to basically have a readable mnemonic of our private key that gets generated, which is also known as our seed phrase. It can be a 12-word or 18-word or 24-word seed phrase. This is normally just numbers, and BIP39, the protocol, basically makes it into words. There are 2,048 words. It's all on GitHub. It's all public. Okay, so you can check the code, everything. So how does BIP39 actually work? So let me help you understand. What you actually do is you basically generate a random number. As I mentioned, it's a very long string. You convert that random number into a binary. Then this creates a checksum of the binary version. Then what happens is you append the checksum to the end of the original binary number. You divide the binary sequence into 11 bits. Each of that 11-bit group corresponds then to a word from the 248 words, which is predetermined, okay? The resulting list of the words is your mnemonic phrase. What does that mean? The mnemonic phrase itself can be used to recover the original random number that was generated. Obviously, this is called a private key. This, therefore, is a way for every individual to become owners of their own assets and have control of their funds. No middleman is needed, no bank, no government can take this from you, unless obviously you give up your private key. But this BIP39 protocol is something that's helped everyone, the whole industry, understand that if you just memorize 12 words, for example, you have your own bank account anywhere. So I just want to help you understand a bit there. That 12 words can potentially make you financially free from any entity. So if you were to have funds in your private key, for example Bitcoin, you can take that anywhere around the world and nobody can take it from you. For example, right, there are scenarios where if you were to transfer money to another country, there's issues where a bank stops this. With crypto and with this protocol here, right, to help you memorize your words for your private key, you can use that to send assets to another country and of a fiat value, right? Obviously, fiat, that's a whole another concept, another whole video. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please do make sure you subscribe to my channel and thumbs up my video, because it helps me, it helps the algorithm, it helps me get out there, helps this channel grow. I'm new, as you can see. I've got quite a few videos, but yeah, hopefully you did enjoy this. But lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.